is Sheree Morgan-Faulkner, AIFD, and I'm here with Florists Review magazine. Today I'm going to show you a few twists and tricks to do with a foliage manipulation mechanic. This piece here is what I call Northern Lights. It invokes a softer side of the holiday season. The fun thing that I'm going to show you today is this star garland. It's a leaf folding technique that I've used creating the weave with hollow leaves. I wanted to show this because it gives beautiful movement down below. That's why I've chosen a vessel that was a little bit taller, but you can also do the stars a little bit larger in a pick fashion. To start this piece, you're going to want to select a vessel that might go with your color palette theme. I also created an armature that utilizes the Smithers-OASIS Midolino stick, as well as some yarn wrap twigs. I started with that because I wanted to create a horizontal line. The movement of that reflects a northern light sky. Then I started adding in some of my evergreens. This is lemon cypress. It smells incredible. I also have some beautiful pine and some cedar. Then to start our flowers, I added focal flowers like the kale and the super green roses. Also this incredible blue delphinium from Royal Flowers. Thank you so much. Their product is absolutely incredible. I've also added in some of the beautiful elongated calla lilies, as well as some dendrobium orchids, Star of Bethlehem, to extend the lines even further out into the night sky. It's very serene, calming. Just think of it when the season is full of hustle and bustle and you just want to go outside and take a deep breath, and you might see the northern lights streaking across a starlit sky. This piece you can take straight throughout the whole entire winter season. It's not just specifically for holiday party time, however, it would be incredibly fabulous for something like that. I hope that it has inspired you to feel a sense of calm all throughout the entire winter. Everything is calm and bright in the northern light sky. I really hope that you join us again next time with Florists Review magazine. Take care until then. I'm wishing you a bright blooming holiday season ahead.